Right now, there's a Metro Police. You can see those gray sedans there. Here he goes back through that original field that he took to start with. I mean, he's just circling back. This is going to terminate here real quick because he's running out of options. All it's going to take is for one of these guys to tag the rear end of that quint. Wow. Just as I say that, this guy makes his way out again. There's a sedan, a police car that tried to take him out. So, I mean, this guy is just really, I mean, you can tell the urgency now that these police are trying to stop him with the way this guy's driving. And now he just, I mean, it appears that he's just playing with the cops now. It looks like he might, well, I thought he was going to stop there, but he didn't. And there he goes. It looks like he was hit again and is still on the run here. And this is still taking place all on the Indiana University Southeast campus.
How many miles have they traveled? They started on I-64, so it's been several miles and several minutes that this has been going on.
What's that, Scott? Okay. All right, now he's making his way back out to the main road there. He's going to be back out on